welcome to MP News.
Vanakkam mpnews.in. Now Parvati. I'm from Bombay basically, but now working here. And I actually now viewers to wish all have a happy Ramzan, have a happy Eid, have all fun on this 9th most probably we'll have Eid.
What's your latest Tamil project?
Right now I'm shooting for Pervi. The shoot is already going on. Unfortunately today is Sunday, so we could get some time actually. Otherwise continuously shooting. This is my second schedule and we'll be finishing up within a week now. And by this month end we'll finishing the whole complete shoot of the film. So as if now like I'm shooting this film and there are other talks which are going on for the other future projects. That is Tamil as well as Malayalam as of now, like which is in pipeline.
Okay. Now, suppose you are getting any like the sister role, character role, feel any that like that Mani Ratnam asking for okay, you come for Vikram's sister role, then you will accept.
It's not about being a sister role. It's not about like what is it whether you are playing a character role. It's about what that role is offering to me. I don't think like okay this is heroine, this is sister, this is character, this is comedy. Not like that. What they are offering me, what I have there to perform in it, what is the challenge for me in that ways. So if that works for me, I go and I do it. And if it doesn't work for me, even if it is a big director, I won't do it. So it's the importance is what I am doing. And obviously with a good team, so it obviously comes out to be good. Then I have the complete faith that whatever that they are telling me and whatever we are shooting, it is going to come out to be nice. So that's the reason why we prefer a good director, because then they direct us to the right way.
Suppose if you got opportunity to work with a good team, but they are not ready to pay for any money.
No, money is not the priority, don't worry. Money is not the priority. Yeah, work is the priority.
And why all Mumbai girls like to come and act in Tamil movies?
Why all come, I don't know. Seriously, I've not asked anybody why they are coming. But why I came, because this is what is my life. My acting is my life. And this is, Tamil industry has offered me something really nice wherein I can connect, so I'm doing it. I'm not thinking like, okay, I'll get one big project in Tamil and then it is like I'll go to Bombay and then I'll do another big project in Bombay and that's the target why I'm doing this. It's not like that. I will do till the end of my life if I'm getting a good role in Tamil Nadu. Yeah. Or I'm getting somewhere else. It's what people, if they like me, they welcome me with wholeheartedly how you're talking to me. I feel nice. I feel nice sitting here. So if I feel nice, I'll do it. If I don't feel nice, I won't do it. It's that simple.
So we have learned that.
Yeah, very true.
Okay. So if anybody offers you for glamour role, then you'll accept it?
I will hesitate.
Why? Normally if you go for Anushka or any other heroines, definitely they will do item dance, then they do any performance like that only, no?
Yeah. I've not really thought about it actually. I've not really thought like how will I take glamour. Let it come my way and let me decide that time. As if now I'm doing very traditional characters. And I like doing that because I'm traditional at heart. Seriously. I might be because I've been brought up in a very open family wherein my father, my mother never restricted me from doing anything unless it is not ethically incorrect. Otherwise they let me do everything. But otherwise, so I don't think. Yeah.
Do you have any plan to produce or direction?
Direction I have, I like directing and as if now I'm directing short films whenever I get free time even. I do write also, not like just the stories, the concepts I write and then I give it to the writers, they develop it for me. And then we do the short film. I have few friends who have the same interest like me, so we work like that. At times we put in our money, sometimes somebody else put in their money and it is for our love. So I like direction, but I'm not thinking about to take up it as a career as if now. So maybe 5-6 years down the line, when maybe I'm enough satisfied and then I want to do something more, then I will do it.
You love dance?
I love dancing. I love dancing. I am getting trained in Kathak also at the same time from Mumbai University, and this is my actually fourth year, or curriculum wise, or otherwise third year of learning. And also doing Bollywood dance, you know, just the moves that I do every day.
Who is the role model in Tamil industry?
Vikram.
Vikram.
Yes.
In actress?
Actress, I like Asin in a lot of films. She's also good. I like Anushka also. Anushka is very good actress. Yeah. Yeah.
Suppose you got like Anushka normally she do a lot of action oriented movies like that.
Yeah.
If you got any chance like that?
I don't know. Action? I don't know. Seriously, I don't know.
So what kind of roles normally you like? What kind of roles?
I like intense roles. Yes. I like when there is many characters in one particular character, when you see shades of characters. And you know that happens in real life.
Yeah.
Can we be just happy all the time? Can we be sad all the time? No. Yeah. So we are different. We're different people.
What do you think about superstar Rajinikanth?
Rajinikanth is actually a superstar because like the last film I saw was Robo. So like I mean I can't believe I see his real stills and how he is, and when we see a film he's completely changed. Like what he does itself is unimaginable. Like I cannot really think like, you know, like we don't think what he does is some extra big supernatural things he does. So it's exciting to watch him. I can't think more than that. It's so exciting. I mean, I don't know, someday if I meet him, I will tell him, like, it's not just me. And he knows that so many fans he has, but still I would like to tell him, you know.
Okay,
You've got
sure.
huge fans.
You can just start with the family.
Okay. My name is Parvati Undi. Full name is Parvati Narban. And actually my mother kept this name, and this name is very special to her because she wanted her first child to named as, she hoped that she'll be a girl, and then she wanted that this particular name to be there in the what do you say, in the family. So that's why she kept it. So you know, in North India people don't keep it. It's not very common name, Parvati. Like I get to hear it so much. So my friends used to say, why Parvati, you just change it in 10th, you can change it, you can change, you can keep any name. And in 10th I thought, okay, I'll change. I went to mom and I said, see, everybody says this is an old name, I should change it. And my mother is like, you want to change it, I give you that freedom, you change it. But this name is very special to me, and she told me the whole story, how she kept it. And then I thought, and I didn't have the guts to do it.
You are only children?
No, I have, and yes, for your information, my sister.
She's also actress, huh?
No, she's not in the industry. Her name is Lakshmi, and I have a brother, and his name is Suresh.
Oh, very good.
So don't ask me why, but she just loved these names and she kept it.
In which dress you feel very beautiful?
Best is sari. Yeah, though tough to wear every day.
Yeah.
So, but on occasions I would love to wear sari and salwar kameez, because end of the day this is our culture and we should not forget that.
You are more traditional actually.
I'm more traditional. I told you. My thoughts are very, very traditional. That's a thing. Like we have been brought up in a very modern way, but my mother also told me always, like, you should remember from where you are. What are your roots? You should never forget. You're an Indian. Don't just like, because this is happening in West, this is what, you get educated, everything fine, but you remember this. So that's what we remembered also.
Whenever you saw any Tamil movie, the heroine is very modern, so she don't know how to wear traditional saree and all.
Okay.
In that case, what happened? The hero will help to how to wear. Then she
In the movie.
normally happen in
real life.
It's happened only now. Modern girls don't know traditional things now. You're also accent. You're very difficult actually. Different.
Difficult naina.
Different. Sorry. Different.
I better learn it fast.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Actually, you heard about director Bala.
Yes,
So whenever he offer any movie to the heroine or hero, give a lot of homeworks. So you
I
need
would
to
love to. Seriously, I would love to do all the homework. Even I always prefer that people give me dialogues in advance because I don't want to struggle with dialogues when I'm doing a scene because I want to get into the character. Imagine if I'm only struggling with the dialogues. What will I do with the emotions? Right? So here also, even Pervi, they give me one day in advance and that's how I do it. But I want, like before I start a film, I want to know everything. So then I am into the character. Right now, what they have given me, a traditional girl, it was not tough for me to play. So I can manage. Tomorrow, if I get some different kind of role wherein I have to put my heart and soul, and if I'm thinking about the dialogues, how will I do it? So I would love.
Okay, I like that. It's a very different question. Suppose all the actors nowadays like to act as a prostitute. So do you like this kind of roles?
Actually, these kind of roles, why I feel people like it is not to show the vulgarity or not to show what is like in there. Obviously, I've never seen a prostitute in my life also, and generally who would see? Especially girls never see, right? So I think it is very challenging for an actor to do that kind of role. And if really some good director comes to me like Mani Ratnam and all and they tell me that you're the lead and you have to do this character, I won't say no. Why would I say no? They must have, these directors, they know like particularly what they want, how they want, they work on a character, and when they approach you, that means this has something to do. And you should not lose that chance in that particular case.
Good.
I'm very open,
Yes.
I'm very open about things. That doesn't mean I'll just keep on doing that thing, but I'm very open. You come to me, if it is good, convincing, I'll do it. Hard work is never a thing that I will say no.
Okay, suppose I am having one story. Okay. For the story, you want to be stay with in a interior forest for more than 6 months. Like that, you can offer that. The role is very good, means you will accept that offer.
I hope the protection will be there, no? I have to think about my protection.
No, nothing. Everybody is there now.
Then okay.
Forest, like that, you are having a different kind of character.
Yeah.
You are roaming in that what you call in the forest.
No
like
problem.
the stories like that means you are ready to do.
No problem.
So
At all.
if you have any chance to fight like that,
I've not thought about fighting. I don't know. And I've not taken any formal training also, because if you want to do any fighting thing, I think you should take martial arts. You should be perfect because there are a lot of hard works in it and you have to do it. You just can't do it.
Do you like to act with which hero in Tamil?
Which hero?
Yeah.
I would like to act with so many. There are some heroes who are good for performance. There are some heroes good to romance.
So you like romance or performance?
Both.
Both. So you want to be Tamil audience as romance heroine?
Both.
Okay.
Why? What is bad in it?
No, nothing.
Romance also has performance. Who said?
Nothing, man. I am not telling anything. No comments.
I would like to act with Vikram. I would like to act with Vijay. I would like to act with Jiva.
Jiva.
Yeah, he's very cute. Siddharth. Very cute and good actor at the same time. Dhanush, oh my god. Very good performer.
Nowadays is all the Hindi girls like Dhanush only, no? After Ranchana.
Ranjana, oh, he did so well. I cried. I am the one who see a film and I cry there only. So if I'm bunch of friends are there, then they will laugh. Parvati is crying. So I'm like, this is my profession.
You are so emotional, huh?
I'm
basically
emotional. I'm very emotional. Yeah, and I can't hide. That's one problem. If I'm angry, you will know. If I'm sad, you will know. If I'm happy, you will know. And if I have a problem, also you will know.
So open book.
Open book.
That's good.
Please wish me all good luck that whatever that I'm hoping, I should get it. So, best wishes I want from you. Thank you, thank you.